911, what is your emergency?
I'm in a little sticky situation.
Okay, sir, what's the problem?
Well, I don't know how to say this, but I'm stuck in the dryer.
How'd you get stuck in the dryer?
I'd rather not say.
Where are you, stepbrother?
Oh god, she's back.
Okay, sir, what's going on?
Oh my god, she's setting up a camera.
Oh no, my stepbrother's stuck in the dryer. What am I gonna do?
Oh my god.
Okay, sir, I'm gonna need you to calm down, okay?
Okay.
Stepbrother, where are you?
Did you just hear that? She has a whip. What the fuck? I just met her
Okay,
today.
sir, I'm gonna need you to listen to me very carefully, okay? When she gets close to you, I'm gonna need you to fart directly right in her eye. This should disorient her for just a few seconds for you to get out, okay?
Oh god, she's here.
Just do what I told you, okay?
Oh, stepbrother.
Oh god, I just shit myself.
What the fuck? I told you to fart.
I know, I'm sorry.